and I picked it up and the lid was not on it securely. And now the lid is floating in my blood. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Shampayne channel. On tonight's video, we're going to make my face into a broken doll's face. I don't care how ridiculous it looks, this is how I'm leaving it. Suffocating my head, squeezing my head. I'm cheap, it's a Real Techniques beauty sponge. So she starts like, ooh, that's dark. I'm not quite gonna go to the middle, she goes to the middle, but like, I have a crack cut out of my face. Kind of an interesting look, don't you think? This is disgusting. My husband used this on his face last weekend, and there are cat hairs all in it. You guys doing anything fun this weekend? Any Halloween parties or... Oh, my hair is sticking to the grease paint. No, 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 no. Like the no cat. No, 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 no. I'm not funny, I'm just annoying. I know that. I have ruined parts of my foundation there. My eye looks all crusty and gross now. Oh, oh no. Hidey ho. I'm doing white face, but that's okay because I'm white. Mistakes were made. Biggest mistake ever. Okay, maybe not ever. There is this a wang. Look at it. It's like wah, wah, a wang. And yakisoba, like the noodles. I love the noodles. Oh no, I smeared my line so much. Oh no, why? Why did I do? Easy cracked doll makeup tutorial. I get the porcelain skin. I just don't get the white lip thing because like, I've never seen a doll that has white lips. Never. Why? I think this is like the first video that I haven't been sitting here doing it and being like, oh my god, this is a complete failure, I failed. Actually, I think we might succeed on this one. Shampayne doesn't succeed, she fails. Leave a comment, let me know if you have any tutorials you'd like me to follow. It's hard work finding tutorials to fail at every week. I'm down for crafts, painting, it doesn't matter. So I thought the lid was on this. And I picked it up and the lid was not on it securely. And now the lid is floating in my blood. This is the part where like, I'm probably going to overthink this. It's probably all in my head, but I feel like I could taste the eyeliner in that. I hear dogs. Here is the finished look. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you like what you see here, please check out my previous videos. And yeah, hope you guys have a spectacular Halloween and stay bubbly.